welcome to the tutorial. So today we'll be doing how to say print. I'm just going to add this for some flair. You got respect for people. So firstly we'll be doing a simple print. Hello potato. Very cool. No, wait. Time. Yes, okay. Actually, ch1 equals input y u. Okay. Yeah, finish that off. We need to do a simple if statement. If ch1 equals okay, print ooh elif ch1 equals no, print lie. Very cool, very cool. But finally, else is just simple. You do a print fuck off, you nerd studying and shit, you little fuck. Anyways, now that you're done, you'll wanna, of course, test it. So you do run module, save it. I'll just oh Jesus, oh don't, oh no, yep, yeah, shit. Oh hello. Oh, this is very nice. Yep, nice program. Oh, ew. Oh, fuck.